Welcome back, everyone. I'm not sure if you can see from this angle, but our mirror on the passenger side had a bit of a mishap this winter, so we need to replace a couple of broken parts on there. The reason why I'm kind of going to highlight this and just document it is, for one, those curious how to replace the parts that are broken on there, and also to give you an idea of where I sourced the replacement parts for this, since the parts from Toyota were way too expensive. Because the part that's damaged, it's not only just the mirror, but it's the inner housing on the mirror, and they only sell that part with the complete assembly. So I wasn't about to shell out, I think it was like 400, maybe even more bucks for a full assembly. That doesn't even include the mirror that I would need. So what I was doing for quite a while was scouring eBay, since I've always had luck with takeoff parts there, but I wasn't finding anything for quite a while. And I don't know why I forgot about this website, but I used to use it all the time when I was looking for OEM parts. It's called carpart.com. So it's essentially just a bunch of junkyards nationwide that they pull parts off and list them on this website, and you can buy them directly from them. So I found a complete assembly, and coincidentally, the mirror cap even matches our Corolla Cross, even though ours doesn't need a replacement. But anyways, that was nice in case we did need it. But I reached out to them. They were only a state over. They gave me a total with shipping, and it was way cheaper than even just the full assembly. Like, I'm talking, it was just a little bit over what the price for just the mirror from Toyota was. So the nice thing about this is I'll pull the mirror, the inner assembly off that I need to replace the broken parts here, and then I'll sell the rest. So hopefully I'm looking at less than 50 bucks to change out these broken parts. So I will remove the broken parts here, take off what I need from the other assembly, and then swap everything out. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start with pulling the mirror cap off. Even though this inner housing is already broke off, I've done this in the turn signal mirror video already, so it's pretty easy. You just have to pull it out. Obviously, I can get it in there a little easier since that part's broken, but just put this aside. Now I'm going to pop out the mirror. Normally you want it to be a little more gentle, but ours is already broken, so we just need to get it out of there. There are a couple of wires for the heated function, and then there's a wire for the blind spot monitoring. So now that we have that stuff out of the way, we need to remove the 3 T10s that hold on the assembly. All right, now that we got that out, we'll just grab the new one and swap it over. So we'll just do this in reverse order. And that goes up there. So just a heads up, I did have to go back and make sure that this is lined up, since I did not catch that the first time I tightened this down. So once I get this one tightened, you can either put the mirror cap on first or the mirror first. It doesn't matter. Neither one really gets in the other's way. So I'm gonna put the mirror on. So you got these 2 leads for heated function. I'll probably do that last, actually. So got those plugged in, they're snug. So this part, just be really careful with the mirror since it can break. So kind of just put even pressure across the face of it. Feels pretty good there. And then grab the mirror cap. That just snaps back on. That's it. So that's all it takes to replace the inner housing and the mirror itself. Obviously the mirror would be a lot easier. You don't even need to take any of that stuff off, so that's a nice thing. Just get back in there, pull it out, remove the wiring, and you're good. But since the inner housing needed to come out, that's why I had to go about it the way I did. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@cxmods.com or find us on social media and message us there. And I'll put carpart.com link below in case you need to check anything out. Thanks for watching.